I would just thank her for that, for the safe spot. So, hi, I'm Elizabeth. I am a patient of Dr. Davis. So I went to her because I actually slammed my mouth into a kitchen or a sink and cracked my tooth, and she was able to, one, calm me down before the procedure, and two, she was able to get everything fixed. And she makes you feel like you're at home and like you're part of the family. So when you're there, you don't realize that you're going for dental work. From the time you walk in the door to the time you leave, somebody's engaging with you, and like I said, they're treating you like you're just like you belong there, like you're part of them, you're part of the team, which I know it just brings your guard down. As a child, I just had such I was a small child, blonde hair, blue eyes, and I had a dentist doctor that touched me inappropriately, and I had a hard time going into the dentist ever since. And it's panic attacks. I mean, kid you not, like it's just like super tunnel vision. And she was able to just calm me down and was able to work. First I'd give her a big hug, and then just tell her how much I appreciate. And I'm not gonna cry, but I probably am gonna get teary-eyed. How much I appreciate just her personality, the office that she's grown and created for people like me and people that go through trauma, to have that safe spot. I would just thank her for that, for the safe spot. So, and anyway.